I started my full-fledged preparation after I joined the Ultimate Assessment Program at Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
There is a 12-month strategy which I have done on Civils Daily platform only.
I reached out to the Civils Daily team.
Civils Daily.
Current affairs में Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily with Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
Civils Daily.
A mentorship program of Civils Daily, and that did help me a lot.
Namaste. We are back again with a very important session on the most impactful initiatives by top civil servants. Having a solid command over this topic can ensure up to 10 marks extra in each of your GS papers. That's close to 50 marks in total. It's not a small number. It's huge. You have to understand that if you are quoting diverse set of examples throughout your paper, the impression you end up giving is that you are deeply invested in civil services. You are someone who understands what the services are all about, the kind of changes, the kind of transformation that you can bring about through these services, as opposed to someone who has just superficially understood what civil services are all about, right? Second, you come across as a person who understands the difference between a scheme being on paper versus what it takes to bring about a ground level transformation, right? Schemes तो कितनी सारी exist करती है, हर चीज के लिए हमारे पास scheme है, उसके beneficiaries listed out हैं, implementing agencies हैं, financing mechanisms हैं, all of that information is there. Yet you see that ground level पे इनका इतना ज्यादा impact नहीं है, and it takes a village to bring about any sort of transformation. Quoting these examples shows your inclination towards a real change. Finally, these are the officers that you are going to try to emulate. These are the initiatives that you are going to bring about. And that is exactly what UPSC is looking for. Now let's jump in. It is very important that you prepare with a proper structure. You have 3 dimensions. The first one is these 10 themes. You need to have at least 2 to 3 initiatives ready for each of these themes, right? Dimension 2 is about the medium, right? So there could be an initiative around rural agriculture, and it could involve tech, it could involve e-governance, or it could be a community driven, probably driven through CSR funds, right? Dimension 3 is more relevant for GS4, and it's about values, the closest matching value that that initiative corresponds to. Now, we have all the notes ready, right? So you don't need to worry about the exact details. You'll have the name of the officer, the initiative, the impact of the initiative, right? And the indicative PYQs where this example can be used, right? Where this initiative can be quoted. So it's a very holistic PDF. It's a very holistic notes. These are very holistic notes that we have prepared. We'll come back to this. First, try to understand the fundamentals. आप लोगों को एक बात समझनी जरूरी है that you can't keep memorizing everything. Everything can't be a burden, right? कि इस चीज को भी रटना है, अब ये भी 50 रट के बैठ जाए. This is something that you should study, you should take a deep interest in, right? आपको ये चीज fascinating लगनी चाहिए, तभी आप reproduce कर पाएंगे. So toppers who put in conscious efforts to prepare this topic, even they are able to quote the most popular names. That's it, right? वो भी नए नाम, नए initiatives नहीं quote कर पाते. So they'll end up quoting the most popular ones: TN Seshan, Ashok Khemka, Collector Bro, Prashant Nair, right? Fourth, Armstrong Palme, the officer who built the 500-kilometer road. Fifth would be Satyendra Dubey, who lost his life, unfortunately, while dealing with corruption and the mafias, right? अब ये एग्जाम्पल्स पुराने हो गए हैं, आपके पेपर में एक फ्रेशनेस होनी चाहिए, and this is exactly what we are going to discuss. So let's go one by one. The first theme is administration. Administration में आपका क्या आ गया? Elections, CAG, disaster management, various schemes, probably operational excellence, right? Operational excellence, which would mean interesting initiatives around crises like COVID, right? Now, for questions around these, you will have to quote the traditional examples. Election के around question आया तो आपको TN Session ही quote करना पड़ेगा. CAG पे question आया, you have to quote Vinod Rai sir, right? Disaster management का we have an interesting example. IAS Pradeep Kumar. IAS Pradeep Kumar. All these names are there in the PDF, right? He is from the Odisha cadre. What has he done? Odisha cyclone model, zero casualty strategy, right? We all know that Odisha as a state is the most hit by disasters, right? And he has come up with this initiative of zero casualty strategy, right? Led Odisha's cyclone response through early warning, mass evacuation, 24/7 coordination, preposition, earning UN and World Bank praise, right? So this initiative earned UN and World Bank praise. Another important point to note here is that any initiative that is recognized internationally, it's one notch up, right? So tier 1, priority 1 initiatives would be initiatives that have international recognition. Priority 2 initiatives would be initiatives that are named in some way or the other. They are named initiatives. Priority 3 would be incremental changes, right? आपने कहीं 20% या 30% किसी स्कीम को बेटर कर दिया, किसी ऑपरेशन को बेटर कर दिया. So priority 3 can be skipped. Priority 1 and priority 2 is something that you need to put in additional efforts on, right? So Pradeep Kumar's initiative around disaster management has been recognized by UN and World Bank. इसको आप लोग थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखिएगा. Any question around disaster management? Try to pitch this in, right? Finally, operational excellence में around COVID, right? COVID के टाइम पे बहुत सारी success stories थी, right? An interesting success story around COVID was by IAS Iqbal Singh, and he designed the Dharavi COVID-19 model. Isolation plus community care, right? Minimize deaths in one of Asia's largest slums. We all know the population density in Dharavi, and getting an initiative like this up and running in that community, it's a big deal, right? Next, we come to rural and agri. This theme is all about increasing farmers' incomes, getting rural economy to the next level. यहाँ पे क्या interesting initiatives हम देख रहे हैं? Sushant Gaurav, very interesting. Sushant Gaurav is an officer from the Jharkhand cadre, and his initiative is Ragi Revolution. इन्होंने क्या किया? Gumla district as the Ragi capital, promoted finger millet cultivation, boosting net yield by 300%. Recognized with PM's Excellence Award, featured as Harvard Business School case study. Very interesting. ये HBS case study है. जो हमने बात पहले डिस्कस की थी, any initiative that gets international recognition becomes your priority 1. So ये रागी revolution आपको बिल्कुल याद रखना है, right? What else? Bhupesh Chaudhary from Mizoram, Bird's Eye Chili, right? He transformed chili farming in Mizoram, organized 280 farmers into 25 self-help groups, built processing and packaging infrastructure with 15 lakh spent, increasing farmer income by 14 times. Right? It's a big deal then. Bhupesh Chaudhary. हाँ लिखूं मैं Bhupesh Chaudhary in Mizoram, and he increased farmers' income by 14 times through transformation in chili production. Right? So Bird's Eye Chili नाम है इनके initiative का. Again, reiterating that all these initiatives are there in the PDF. They are very exhaustively covered in the notes. Bhupesh Chaudhary जो हमने discuss किया था, Sushant Gaurav, Ragi Revolution, right? Lakshmi Priya, we are going to discuss in the next theme. Prashant Nair is there. Imran Khan is there, right? What I'm trying to do here is give you the approach. इन सारी themes के अंदर आपके initiatives prepared होने चाहिए, and आपको ये 35 to 40 examples पेपर में यूज करने ही करने हैं. सो यू हैव टू इन्वर्ट द प्रॉब्लम. आपके जो एग्जाम्पल्स प्रिपेयर्ड हैं आपको वो यूज करने ही करने हैं. दीज 30 to 40 एग्जाम्पल्स यू हैव टू यूज देम. दैट हैज टू बी योर अप्रोच. यू हैव टू इन्वर्ट द प्रॉब्लम हियर, राइट? एंड हर क्वेश्चन में आपके पास स्कोप होता है अप टू 20 to 30% गोइंग बियॉन्ड द थीम एंड डिमांड. ऑफ कोर्स योर प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव विल ऑलवेज बी टू एड्रेस द थीम एंड द डिमांड, राइट? बट 20% to 30% scope is there in every question to go beyond the theme and the demand to switch in extra information, right? And wahan pe you have ample scope to name drop all these initiatives. With me so far? Nutritional and food security mein we have Lakshmi Priya MS. She is an IAS officer from Assam. Right, Lakshmi, and she comes up with Mission Sampoorna, tackling malnutrition. इनका impact आप देखिए. In 12 months, 92.3% SAM and 98.9% MAM children became normal. 1200 cases prevented. It's a huge deal, right? Women empowerment में आते हैं. Again, it's a very common topic. Women empowerment में हम क्या देख रहे हैं? बालिका पंचायत by मीनल करनवाल एंड साजू वहीद का बालिका मंच, राइट? कैन आई शो यू दीज इन द पीडीएफ? मीनल करनवाल का initiated balika panchayats across 60 gram panchayats, engaging 300 adolescent girls to resolve issues like child marriage and substance abuse locally, right? साजू वहीद का क्या है? बालिका मंच revived 158 school-based girls clubs, prevented 90 planned child marriages in 1 year, bolstering girls' education and agency. Right? Women empowerment ke very powerful examples. Now we come to environment cross water. It's a very common theme. Lake revivals, pond revivals, river rejuvenation. All those initiatives fall under environment cross water. आपको इसमें बहुत सारे initiatives मिल जाएंगे. एक दो जो हम लोग यहाँ पे we can take them up. हम कौन सा लें? Yes, this is very interesting. Umakant Umrao, MP, right? Umakant Umrao. What has he done? He is well known for the Devas model. In 2011-12, it was selected as United Nations one of the 3 top water management practices globally. Right? So international recognition आ गया यहाँ पे. Devas model, आपको ये याद रखना है. Its success motivated the Madhya Pradesh government to create mass impact by 2008. Its success motivated the Madhya Pradesh government to create mass impact by adopting the Devas model under the name Balram Talab Yojana. ठीक है. अब environment cross air में अगर हम आए, विक्रम यादव, IAS from Haryana cadre, initiative around stubble burning, right? He reduced stubble burning incidents in Ambala by 80% within 1 year by providing alternative technologies to farmers, right? ये चीज आप याद रख सकते हैं. एयर पोल्यूशन पे काफी ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. It would be interesting to quote this example there. Inclusivity, tribals, transgenders, इन पे भी बहुत सारे initiatives हैं. You have Chanchal Rana with Project Swikriti, Transgender Workforce Integration, right? Tribals में आपके पास हो गए Shubham Gupta from Maharashtra, AI-based meal quality monitoring in tribal schools. And then you have H. Krishna Nunni from Tamil Nadu, Punnagai Smile Telefacilitation Project in tribal hamlets, right? ये interesting examples आप quote कर सकते हैं. Accessibility की बात अगर हम करें, you have P. Narahari, जिन्होंने बैरियर फ्री ग्वालियर किया है, ठीक है. सो यू हैव P. Narahari, बैरियर फ्री ग्वालियर. अगर हम चिल्ड्रन चाइल्ड एजुकेशन की बात करें, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इनिशिएटिव्स. सो वी हैव सौम्या झा and her initiative is Padhai with AI powered learning drive in government schools, right? Rolled out across 350 government schools, the AI based platform uplifted class 10 pass results to 96.4% within 6 weeks. Very impressive, right? Aditya Ranjan, building as learning aid Bala model for Anganwadi initiative, launched in over 650 Anganwadis, transform facilities into learning rich spaces with colorful tactile walls, structured pedagogy, improved attendance, right? तो बहुत सारे initiatives हैं. Self help group financing में again very interesting name here, Sakshi Sahani, right? Future Tycoons Challenge. So it's something sort of Shark Tank like for the marginalized youth. राइट, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ये भी आपको ध्यान में रहा, याद रहा, इसको आपको कोट करना है. अब हम आते हैं क्वेश्चंस देखने के लिए. लाइक आई हैड मेंशन्ड, यू हैव टू इन्वर्ट द प्रॉब्लम. आप क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, क्वेश्चन की थीम डिमांड देखेंगे, फिर आप ये कहेंगे कि इसमें कोई एग्जाम्पल फिट नहीं हो रहा है. दैट इज नॉट द वे. यू हैव टू टेल योर सेल्फ दैट आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड एग्जाम्पल्स ऑन एजुकेशन, on disaster management, on so many other themes. In theme से कोई भी question आया, you have to name drop, right? You have to make appropriate subheading. Somehow try to fit in. If you can't fit that example in, that's fine, right? तब जाके आप कह सकते हो कि हाँ, ये एक बहुत specific चीज पूछ रहा है ये question, इसमें force fitting का कोई angle ही नहीं बन रहा है. Then you are justified. But that scenario is very rare. More often than not, आपके पास जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो थोड़ा सा ब्रॉडर एस्पेक्ट्स पे ही डील कर रहा होगा, एंड आप बहुत सारे एग्जांपल्स वहां पे कोट कर सकते हैं, राइट? नाउ लेट्स लुक एट दिस क्वेश्चन, राइट? Has digital illiteracy, particularly in rural areas, coupled with lack of information and communication technology accessibility, hindered socio-economic development? Examine with justification, right? ठीक है, आप अपने नॉर्मल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स प्रेजेंट करिए, एंड देन यू कैन से दैट इनिशिएटिव्स बाय कृष्णा नुन्नी सर ऑन कनेक्टिंग 25 villages, right, via solar powered this, reduce school dropout, इनको आप कोट कर सकते हो इसमें. Let's look at another question, right? How have digital initiatives in India contributed to the functioning of the educational system in the country? Elaborate your answer. Now, if you have read about Sanjay Kumar, who has been the education secretary, Unayan Bihar इनका initiative है, digital learning, access to rural schools, right? बिल्कुल clearly यहाँ पे fit हो रहा है. You can use this example here. Let's look at few questions. Has digital literacy, particularly in rural areas, coupled with lack of information in communication technology, accessibility, hindered socio-economic development? Examine with justification, right? कृष्णा नुन्नी सर का एग्जाम्पल हम लोगों ने यहां देखा था, ठीक है. ही कनेक्टेड 25 villages via solar powered 5 GHz Wi-Fi for tele-education and telemedicine, reduce school dropout from close to 50% to 0%. Right? So you can address the explicit demands and then probably spend one paragraph on examples. बिल्कुल fit हो रहा है. Let's look at one more. How have digital initiatives in India contributed to the functioning of the educational system in the country? Elaborate. If you are aware of this initiative, Sanjay Kumar's Unayan Bihar, बिल्कुल direct यहाँ fit हो रहा है. Let's look at this. Why is the world today confronted with a crisis of availability of and access to freshwater resources? Then there's a question on drought. Recurring theme, freshwater, water restoration, drought. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं यहाँ पे, राइट. हीरालाल जी का कुआं तालाब जीवाओ अभियान, रामवीर तंवर, जल चौपाल, राइट. इनमें से आपको कोई भी जो याद आते जाएं. देवस मॉडल हम पढ़ चुके हैं. इको बैग इनिशिएटिव्स, लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आर हियर, राइट. And another important thing to note here is that you can see so many questions. बहुत सारे questions का overlap है जहां पे आप इन एग्जाम्पल्स को यूज कर सकते हो. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक पूरे पेपर में बस एक या दो क्वेश्चन में आप एग्जाम्पल यूज कर सकते हो. 1 in every 4 questions an example is going to very easily fit, right? Probably 2 in every 4 questions, अगर आप और इनोवेटिव हो और क्रिएटिव हो और आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन के ऊपर मास्टरी है तो, राइट. सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, सिंपली गेट गोइंग. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, ये पूरे फ्रेमवर्क पे आपको रेडी होना है एंड immediately start incorporating answers in your FLTs, in your open tests. Right? Thank you.